India's battle with corona is getting tougher each day. The number of cases have surpassed 308,000 and India now ranks 4th in the world in terms of COVID-19 positive cases. India has recorded the highest single-day jump so far of 11,458 fresh cases, pushing the total number of cases to 308,993. The latest data from the Union Health Ministry shows. Number of cases are reaching record high each day while people are clueless about how to deal with the situation. The healthcare infrastructure has exhausted long back as patients have been reporting negligence and number of deaths is also rising. India has largest number of COVID patients in world tally after US, Brazil and Russia. The lockdown did not work for India and now when the situation is out of hand, Unlock 1 is witnessing steep rise in cases. With the highest single-day spike of 2,131 COVID-19 cases, Delhi's tally of coronavirus infection crossed 36,000 mark on Friday, as the number of deaths due to the disease climbed to 1,214, authorities said. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will chair an interaction with chief ministers of various states next week to discuss the coronavirus situation in India. The previous online meetings of the Prime Minister with Chief Ministers have failed to reach a consensus about locking and unlocking. Central government has been putting the responsibility onto the states. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi on Saturday used a quote, often misattributed to Albert Einstein, to hit out at the government over its lockdown strategy to point out that the spread of the coronavirus disease has not been halted because of the restrictions. The former Congress president also used graphs showing the rise in COVID-19 cases during the last 4 phases of the national lockdown. Insanity is doing the same thing over and over again, expecting different results, Rahul Gandhi tweeted. On Friday, he had criticized the government's COVID-19 containment efforts and alleged that India's fast rise among the nations worst affected by the coronavirus pandemic across the world was due to a lethal blend of arrogance and incompetence. Rahul Gandhi had also used a graph to show India overtaking other badly affected countries with a rapid rise in the number of COVID-19 cases in the country. India is firmly on its way to winning the wrong race, a horrific tragedy resulting from a lethal blend of arrogance and incompetence, he had tweeted on Friday. Rahul Gandhi has been questioning the centre's handling of the coronavirus crisis. He has alleged that the lockdown imposed to contain the rise of COVID-19 cases and the subsequent phase-wise unlocking to revive economic activity in the country was ill-timed.